It's a Telewind company. It's a local in aviation. So we use a high-tech like AI model. We can acquire a drone for the radar system and send our radar system to locate all the drone target location. So we send to our central system to assign to all the remote control station to find what kind of drone identified by our AI technology. So we can use our system to locate all the drones we have. So after we input our 2 kilometers and parameter in our base, we can use all the different kind of weapon platform, including the 2.75 launch rocket and the machine gun. We can use this and all the system to eliminate all the drone incoming threats. Have many different kind of branch, only like from Taiwan for the radar system, and also have the different kind of thermal system and the EOS, electro-optical. So we can use this kind of one and use AI technology from the China and Taiwan to develop different kind of AI model to locate all the drone different threats.